Hi dear students, we are moving to the next session, that is self-confidence. Self-confidence can be defined as a belief in one's personal abilities, potentials and strength. Self-confident people are generally assured of themselves and their abilities, take risks and challenges, do not hesitate to try new things and think about their future positively. We know that self-confidence is the most important factor in our life. It is defined as a belief of ourselves. We have a belief in our own abilities, potentials and strength. It's a small session. Let's end off this session, that is self-confidence, and we are moving to the next session, session 5, positive factors of self-confidence. Self-confidence is the strength which an individual can achieve by combining the state of mind and feeling of self-faith which give individual self-assurance about his skills and abilities. We already discussed about the definition of self-confidence. The three most important factors of self-confidence are social factor, cultural factor, physical factor. First factor is social factor. It's a feeling of affection, belongingness, acceptance and friendship in the society and family. Self-confidence rises when we feel accepted in our personal and professional lives by the people, and it falls when we feel rejected. Social experiences play the most important and vital role in someone's life in order to achieve self-confidence. It involves interactions among the individuals to coordinate activities for the accomplishment of individual goals and objectives. Social experiences play an important role to improve the self-confidence. If we behave or our social nature help to improve the self-confidence. How? See, if we accepted by the other people, automatically it will improve our self-confidence. In the other case, if we reject from in a group of people, there itself our confidence decrease. Okay, that's why one of the most common factor is social factor, which helps to improve the self-confidence. Next is cultural factor. It helps an individual build up his confidence level, self-image and self-respect, and can also be the reason for low self-confidence and self-esteem. Individuals are pressurized to live in a certain way, dress in a certain way, have a certain kind of work and function accordingly. The respect, values and patience that an individual can show towards culture will contribute towards the individual's success and confidence as to who he is. Sometimes this cultural factor helps to build our self-confidence or self-esteem. At the same time, this cultural factor can lower our self-confidence also. How? Sometimes individuals are pressurized to live in a certain way, to dress in a certain way. Definitely this will affect our self-confidence. Next and the last factor is the physical factor. It refers to the physical health, personality and appearance that help one look more confident. It also helps to improve attitude and self-esteem. An energetic person becomes more productive with positive attitude. We already discussed that physical health improves self-confidence. Physically healthy person definitely have a self-confidence such that always he feels energetic and he is able to face difficult situations with a positive attitude. That's end of this session, and hope you understood. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.